Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu sought the permission of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to enter at the time when some women of Quraysh were busy chatting in his company and were talking aloud. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu requested to come in, they got up and went behind the curtain. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam permitted him to enter and continued to smile. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may Allah keep you smiling forever. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I am amazed at the women who were sitting in my company, but when they heard your voice, they went hurriedly behind the curtain. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you deserve more that they must be in awe of you. Then he said to those women, O the enemies of yourselves, you fear me, but why you are not in awe of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? They replied, you are a man with comparatively quicker temper and are stricter than Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Umar, by him in whose possession my soul is, when Satan finds you treading a path, he leaves your way and adopts the other course. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3294.